American women showed them how to plant corn and hunt for turkeys. So at harvest time, the Puritan ministers said, let's have a Thanksgiving dinner. The Puritan men and the Native American men went out to hunt for turkeys. The Puritan women and the Native American women gathered the corn. The Puritan men and the Native American men hunted for many days. They shot deer and rabbits, but they could not find any turkeys. What are we going to do, said the Native American men. We need turkeys for our Thanksgiving dinner. Meanwhile, the Puritan women and the Native American women were bringing home the corn. Their baskets were so full of the corn, it fell out onto the ground. Now hiding near the path were the turkeys. They liked the corn. So they followed the Puritan women and the Native American women. When the women got home, they met the Puritan ministers. They said, we better go back and pick up that corn. Just then, the hunters were coming home, and they said, look at all those turkeys eating the corn. The Puritan men and the Native American men and the Puritan women and the Native American women and the Puritan ministers said, look at all those turkeys. They all said, and they all said,